Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, click on the Play Store, tap on the search bar and simply type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from this developer, Mad Scientist. After that, click on Open. Now you need to click on those two lines at the bottom right corner and choose Settings at the top. From here you need to click on I accept and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and then bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by choosing one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!